In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear ABS speed sensor on your Kia Optima. Located behind the rear wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. With the tire off, we can locate the sensor. It's right on the side of the knuckle. It's gonna have a 10mm bolt. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take it off. With the bolt out, we should be able to wiggle the sensor side to side and get it off. As you do that, you're gonna pull on the cable. Just like that. Next up, we're gonna be removing these two 14mm nuts. Using a 14mm socket, go ahead and take them off. Slide the bracket out of the way. And now we can go up to the top. Next up, using a 12mm socket, we're gonna remove this bolt. Now we can go ahead and grab onto this grommet and just pop it off. Now we can move on to the inside of the vehicle. Next up, to get to the connector for the ABS sensor, we need to pull both of the back seats forward. For that, we're gonna find these two knobs on the side of the trunk. You're gonna go ahead and pull on both of them, and that's gonna unlock the seat so we can move them forward. Now we can go ahead and move the seats forward. We're gonna do the same on the other side. With the seats down, we can see these 7 screws that we're going to be removing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, in this case a Phillips drill, we're gonna go ahead and take them out. We're gonna remove the next one. I'm using a magnet tray just to keep track of the screws. With the screws out of the way, we can simply grab onto this and slide this panel off. Just like that. We can go ahead and grab onto this, and that's gonna give us access to the connector that we need. Now we can go ahead and disconnect it. You're gonna see a tab on the side. Go ahead and push it and pull the connector out. Just like that. Now that we have it disconnected, go ahead and grab onto the wire and simply slide it out. And now pull the whole ABS sensor out. Here we have the new one. We're gonna go ahead and fish it through the hole the same way the old one came out. Now we can go ahead and plug it in from the inside. Now we can come back inside of the vehicle and plug it in. Line it up with the connector. Plug it in and just give it a light tug to make sure it's secure. Now we can go ahead and install the panel back. We're gonna feed it the same way the panel came out. Go ahead and lift on this corner and slide it in. Line up the holes and reinstall all the screws. Go ahead and snug everything up. Go ahead and close the seats. And now we can move back to the bottom of the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and get the grommet back in place. Line it up and slide it in. Now we can go ahead and install this bracket. Line it up with the hole. There's going to be a notch right on the bracket. And install the 12mm bolt. Go ahead and tighten it. Now we can go ahead and grab this bracket and attach it to these two studs. Just like that. Install the two 14mm nuts. And now get them tight. Before we go ahead and install the new sensor onto the knuckle, you want to spray some brake parts cleaner to make sure we get rid of any debris. Go ahead and use a wipe. Make sure that there's nothing inside the hole. Next up, before we go ahead and slide the new sensor in, it's gonna have an O-ring around the area to make sure it creates a nice seal. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of silicone only on the O-ring itself. I'm gonna go ahead and go around the whole O-ring. This is gonna make the installation a lot easier, and it will prevent damaging the sensor. Now that we have the O-ring lubricated, go ahead and slide it in. Lined up the hole and push it in. Install the 10mm bolt. Get it snug. Now we can get it torqued to 8 foot-pounds. Go ahead and reinstall the tire. If your vehicle had a code for this sensor, you will go ahead and clear it now. Install the tire. And start the lug nuts by hand. Now we can get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.